And we are taking it, and today we are taking the second video of our laughter. I told you, laughter is such things. It conveys a sort of feeling to others also when you laugh, and they also smile. When they hear you laughing anyway. And now, as per the, it is written in the Saleh that your nature never remains constant. It keeps changing your style, way of living, your styles, and your customary fares, your culture and all, that keeps on changing. It is never you see stable at time, once upon a time you talk about a culture will remain the same. But since we are in the already contact with the Western peoples, culture is a little, your different is there. We started living their own ways, and their styles of also laughing changed in the same way as we were laughing earlier. You see, 15 years back, if you talk about the people living in the rural area, especially, I'm telling a very farmer families, what they used to do is, 1 month earlier, 2 months earlier, for making a celebration or anybody's family in the village, especially what they used to do is, because they used to go to Bula cards. So oiling the horns of their blocks and all, that used to keep them happy because that was the only one occasion, that was the only one chance, to show the brightness, show the strength of their Bula cards there because who's going fast, who's going slow, Likewise, there were the you see different styles we had those times. Now the same style are changed now. What we find it at present, now you see we are bringing the same whatever our grains are there, crops, after cutting, after threshing everything, we bring them. You see in the trolleys and all. So have you seen, while these people are driving their trolleys, how much happy they become because that is the only occasion when they are going to get some money, and money has to come in your pocket, that really amuses you for anything, because you are day to day earning, you talk about it, you may be, you see, working anywhere in the evening, but the day when you get your salary, what they pay you in a factory after a month, and you become very, very happy. You buy many things, if you are reaching to your home also, because today is a sweet day for you. Similarly, you see, this laughter, it changes way to way, from one period to another period, Now you normally see it, when we again plan to go to today some your towns are there, cities there, we very become very happy. Even one day earlier, second day earlier, we planned. Why we become happy? Reason being is this: because we are going to see the new faces, we are going to see the market, we are going to see the places, we are going to get a ride of your bus also, you will have a chances because you feel living at one place is a very dull life is there, Dull in sense I don't tell you that you are just fed up with the things because you have got a plenty of job in your field to work. If only we talk it and talk about a businessman, they are also busy in their shops, It is not that only farmers can enjoy. Even the businessmen also they have their own special enjoyment is there, you see. Now, I talk about a responsible also. When you are responsible, more responsible, then you see different standard of living is there of your towns. Towns in sense, we have only one way of living is there, but when you go to your rural areas there, you have got lot of many things like your cattle are there, you have to bring up your cattle, you have to look after your fields also. So there, on the way, anybody is going on the road or the second field is there, they are known, they make some comments and they start laughing. So this way the things keep on changing. Now another way of laughing where we see, we normally you talk about when passing your time is there, long journeys are, train journeys are there, even smaller journeys of the bus, keeps also amused, when because you leave your house and when you get into a bus like that, you have to go to Delhi or you have to go to some other places. That 4 hour journey is there. You are going to meet a different people. So that is why you become so happy. Now talk about a train journeys. Train journeys, the trains may be fast now at present, but you talk 50 years back, the trains were very slow, very very slow it is. And now we have changed the trains also, super fast trains. There are many type of the trains have come. Earlier we were to change the trains on the way. and we have to halt there also for 10 years, for 10, sorry, 10 hours or the 5 hours or the 8 hours to get another train. Now, if you talk about your eastern side, if you happen to go there like Dibrugad or from Delhi, it was consuming your 3 nights minimum and days. You can just count it in the day. If you start early in the morning, then 2 nights. That means 3 4 days you are spending plus the nights also. You are raining there. Then can you get you see? Can you just spend your time alone? You can never spend your time alone. So what do you do it? There the all the people in the morning after having their breakfast and all they sit together and we will have such a long journey. That is only soldiers after spending their annual leaves at home after 2 months when they go they should not have any burden in the home. That is why whenever they find anybody in the uniform, otherwise normally in these trains all full of only army persons also they know. And that also when they sit together, when they talk, they ask you from which unit you are and how much distance is there from the Delhi where you are. Do you get your leave properly? Is there any problem? What are you facing? Are in the border side? Things, and then they make something like comments, and then they start laughing. That is how they pass their time, 3 to 4 days. It is not very easy, dear children. You see, spending